My name is Barbara Nganda. I'm a life coach. I do teams and team building activities. We do life skills. We try our best to see that the young people we have acquire life skills and live a better and a self-reliant life. So today we came to Kasokoso to meet the Super Bullets to try and impart some skills in them. First of all, we found out some of the challenges they're facing, especially listening to authority, social and moral skills, and any other life skills they could be lacking. So after discussing with our coaches, we decided to organize a treasure hunt. This is an activity that brings out a lot of skills in life that we need, and as well as team building activities. We started our trek by blindfolding all the other participants apart from the leaders. We wanted to see if these young people are able to listen to their leaders. So after the blindfolds, we took them to the first task. We wanted to see that the leaders follow the tasks, read the instructions, and follow exactly what is asked from the first task. We had a second one, and there were some challenges on attending the second task, but were able to the young people were able to identify the loopholes, to follow instructions, and then go to the third one. The third one was mainly to help them understand what they call voluntary service. We identified a home that needed to be slashed, not a home, but a small house that needed to be cleaned, a bush needed to be cleaned around an area. So they managed to slash the area. They went to what we called another activity that we called stone stepping, and under that we wanted to see that they follow the steps. Before going to the next step, there was a line to cross, so hopefully they were able to step on the different stones. Some were tall, so they would go easily. Others were a bit short, so they had to be helped by others. This was also supposed to help us and help the young people learn to help each other, learn to support each other, and work as a team as well. Then we had another task that was an apple just hanging up in a certain tree. The first two groups managed to eat the apple. Of course, the instruction said a member in the group take a bite. The first group followed the instruction, another group did not follow. They managed to eat the whole apple. So the third group didn't find anything, but still the third group did not go there. So there was something lacking. But again, it was to help us understand how they share, how they read instructions, how they cope with each other, how they cope with emotions. Initially, they were not happy for the activity, but at that stage, we are very sure they were excited seeing the apple, seeing the way back, and that was the main aim of this activity that we had at that point. So after that, they came to the tree where there was a small bottle where everyone had to tap on the tree using their nose, and we saw members supporting each other in order to tap on the no on the what on the cover of the bottle. This also showed us great works and great team building. We went to the tire. They had to pass through the tire. They had to support each other. They had to work as a team. They had to morally accept each other the way they are, and they had to also understand that life is not a straight line. There are tasks involved, there are challenges, but still you are able to go through that. The last task was to find a treasure within the saucepan. The treasure was in the saucepan. It was a bit tasky to put the head in the saucepan, so the refreshing bit in the saucepan was there. Of course, we wanted them to refresh and to understand and cool down, and understand that at the end of the day you have to feel fresh and cool down. But there was a small treasure to get, and whoever was able to get that treasure was really happy and excited, and we are happy to report that everyone was able to get that treasure. We are so happy to work with this team. We are so happy to support the young people. We are so happy to help the young people get life skills, but also understand life, cope with each other, cope with their emotions, follow authority, and be upright and live an upright life. We hope for the best, and we would like to appreciate Super Bullets for giving us an opportunity to work with them. I would like to appreciate my colleagues, Andrew Mwine, a life coach, and also Kabonga Richard, a life coach and an instructor. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I pray and I believe that we'll have more opportunities to work together and make the young people have a well-built, balanced life with life skills, moral skills, ability to listen to authority, and make effective decisions about their lives. Thank you.
Our main aim of coming here was to bring out the potential of these young people using a different methodology, which is life skills training through practical illustrations. We did what we call a treasure hunt, and the treasure hunt involved different tasks. From the beginning to the end, they go through tasks where they have to work as a team and also improve their skills like listening skills, creative thinking skills, critical thinking skills, and also reaching further than they expected and also achieving much more than they hoped they will in the beginning of the tasks. What we did is to pair up different groups within the number of participants that were here. After pairing them into groups, we make sure that we have a leader. That leader leads them because as young people, they need to respect authority, which is one of the challenges they have been having. And also at the end of the day, we talk about lessons learned, and also we try to magnify the lessons learned into a much bigger picture, applying it in life itself. We have done all that, and as you'll see, in conclusion, everyone had a lesson, had a challenge, and how they overcame that. They overcome that challenge. As life coaches, we emphasize more of practical skilling than theoretical skilling, because we think that if a person goes through that difficulty himself, he or she can be able to 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 maneuver it and also learn something from it. A wise man said that when you see, you remember, but when you do, you know. So by doing, they know, and they've learned a lot. Uh, I want to thank the team of this place for giving us an opportunity. And more so, I want to thank Barbara for her vision. And hopefully, we think that if we take this route, we shall be able to apply life skilling in different arenas, be it football, be it professional life, be it anything. We believe that with this practical bit of it, things can be magnified to become bigger and better. We are available on call. When we are called upon, we can ably apply our skills to others through what we do. I thank you, and may the good Lord bless you.